Hey guys, it's me at the back on Essentially, and today I'll be shooting a video on how to make an easy paper cartoonish Beast Boy mask, and we'll be using just these two A4 papers. Both are green but slightly different in terms of color, so we'll just use these to make our mask design. So let me find a pencil. Alright, sure. So first off, it's quite simple. This one's going to be a lot simpler than my other mask tutorials since it doesn't require any folds. It's a simple little flat piece of mask. So first things first, you need an A4 paper as big as this, and what I want you to do is fold it in half because you want to replicate the same on the other side. Now we will have our forehead like this. It ends right there, and then we'll give him an ear like that, right? And then here's our nose. So I'm using a reference from Google on a Beast Boy mask. Okay, something like this should work, and then there will be our eyes, and then above it will be our eyebrows, right? Something like this. So obviously we're gonna need some black marker as well for this one. Keep that aside. Now let's go right into the chop bit. Alright, so that's the ears. And there it is. Our top part of the mask looks something like this. Now we're going to need to cut out the eye holes so you can actually look through it, and in order to do that I'm going to use, let me use this scissor. It's quite sharp, so this should work. Now be very careful at this step because you don't want to pierce yourself. Let's cut right there. Just one tiny hole, just like that, right? Flatten it out, and then you can widen the hole a little bit so your scissor actually passes through it, and then just slowly make a circle. Just like that. So there you go. That's most of the mask already ready. There's only one more step left, which is to give him the eyebrows. So I'd appreciate if these two were a bit closer, if the eyes were a bit closer. So let me modify this a little bit, and I'll add the design as well. Alright, so now that that's done, so you've got a piece of mask looking like this. Now I would recommend you guys make two tiny holes from near the earlobes right there, right? So you can actually pass your threads through these tiny holes and you can actually wear them. But I'm not going to do that step, that's too much work. So, and it's not that hard either, so I'll just move on to the hair next. So this one might be a bit trickier than it looks because it needs to fit the actual mask properly. So let's use a pencil to do the measurements. Alright, so we shouldn't be using this part. Now, if I were to look at it correctly, then okay, then I see sort of like this. Okay, let's put this above here for reference. Alright, okay. And then as big as that. Stop right there. Close it. 3 weird spiky pointy things. And of course his haircut. Alright, so the hair is something like this. Let me cut it out and see what it looks like. Alright, now just one more left. Okay, that's done. Just gotta modify it a little bit here and there. And that's it, we're done. So, you let me flip this in the other side. Oh no, it's badly designed both sides, isn't it? I didn't want these pencils markings to be there, so it's fine because that looks dope, right? That looks like a real Beast Boy mask. Okay, so just need to fix this a little bit. And that's it. So all you have to do next is attach these two pieces together, and the only way to do that is to first make sure that you have them on the right spot. Then once you're sure about that, use some tape just on the sides like this. Leave the middle empty, otherwise it'll look really bad. And use a lot of tape to secure the inside like this. Pretty cool. Alright, that's about it for this video. We made a Beast Boy mask using a very simple idea, And you can use some threads to attach this to your face like I've already mentioned, and that should do it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next video, and share my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.